Get the seatbelts and the Dramamine ready. It's going to be a wild one. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. Bubba's Daily Update coming to you from Las Vegas. And of course, this update is brought to you by our brokerage partners at Tradier. We do have other brokers that we use, just to be full disclosure, but our preference is always Tradier. Number one, $10 a month. So that's a selling point on its own, but they've got great customer service. And of course, we use their APIs so that we can automate our products. Should you choose to want to be automated, you have that option. Okay. In the meantime, the markets are about as wild as it gets. The NASDAQ has been up 150 and down 150 today. Right now it's just to the slight plus side. S&P and Dow have also been all over the place. They're all positive. In fact, three of the four are positive. The Russell is still negative. Now, we did reverse our NASDAQ this morning. So we're now short NASDAQ, long the other three. The metals are under pressure. And, of course, gold, at the moment, it's just turned slightly higher. But yesterday's violation of the 1700 level is ugly, which brings 1650 into play. We're still short gold. Silver is lower. And, of course, platinum is a little bit lower, but we are still long. So we're short silver, short gold, long platinum. Copper has been one of the wildest days I've seen, up and down. It is slightly lower right now, and we are still long. Nat gas is a little bit lower. Dollar is a little bit higher. Bonds and notes are flat. Okay, and our positions haven't changed. Short dollar, short bonds and notes, long nat gas, long copper. And, markets are markets. And I think that when you finally realize that the markets are the markets, you won't get, so involved. I mean, crude oil suddenly took off and is up almost $1.80 right now, from being down on the day to up almost $1.80. So again, I think you have to remember to let the markets trade, let the markets be the markets, because otherwise you put yourself in jeopardy trying to predict future outcomes. And of course, the grain markets were so interesting. It's been a very volatile week, which indicates it's getting ready to make another move. And of course, we think that move will be higher based on the action. But they've been up and down, big numbers every day. And the overnight this time they were lower, and now suddenly they become much higher. Soybeans are up 28 cents, corn is up about a nickel, and wheat has just gotten back to the flat line. So looking very, very good. And of course, in the proteins, you've got fat and feeder cattle, both slightly lower. We're short on both. The hogs are also slightly lower, and we're still long hogs as well. In the softs, cotton is lower, we're short. OJ is lower, we're short. Coffee is lower, we're long. Sugar is lower, and we are short. And of course, cocoa is lower, and we are long. At the end of the day, as I said, we play the algorithms, we play the trends. We're not interested in trying to outguess, outsmart, or outthink these markets. I think that is where most of you make your mistakes. So remember, be prepared, not surprised, and discipline and patience go a long way in this industry. Don't forget about our other brokerage partner for futures and commodities. And of course, I do have other futures brokers as well, but our other partner is, of course, the CTG Group. And first of all, they are the only ones authorized to do our letter of direction trading. They trade all of my accounts, and they also have some terrific managed futures products that you can check out. You just call them. They're CTG Group in Chicago. And also, you can, use and have them take you. They'll walk you through. They got great customer service. So if you need some more information, go to their website, or you can email me and I'll get you their information. And of course, yesterday we had a great event with our friends over at Family Farms, our new partners, and it was really fun and exciting. Unfortunately, it had to be virtual for me. Had I known they would have such a nice turnout, I would have pushed my trip back. But it was great. It was great to be even online. And I know in July, when we go back again for the conference, it'll be great. But I really enjoyed it. I hope everybody else enjoyed the presentation. Don't forget about Our commodity report, Andy does a marvelous job and has been en fuego. In fact, his portfolios are hitting new equity highs. And of course, him and I are doing a webinar on Saturday together, okay, which will be quite entertaining and good. A new presentation with some great changes that you may enjoy. So if you'd like to come to that webinar, all you got to do is email me at bub@bubbatrading.com or go right to the website. It's on the front page. You can sign up for free. There is no obligation. And of course, our high school program, don't forget about it at Patreon, patreon.com. Again, that's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day. Sorry I didn't get the video due yesterday. It was audio only. I'm using a new system. I don't even know if today is working, but what the heck, we'll have some fun. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here again tomorrow on Friday. Bubba's Daily Update.